This is a Volvo MC70, a 2008 year model Volvo MC70 that we have for sale at Texas Skid Steer. It only has 790 original hours on it. The tires on it are brand new. It's only a second set of tires. The machine is very clean, good running machine. It has joystick only hand controls. I mean, nice clean interior. If you're looking for a hand control only machine that with low hours, that's just ready to go to work, I mean, this one is $16,900 and it is a nice machine, sure enough. Texas Skid Steer is located right outside of Fort Worth, Texas, in Springtown, Texas. And you can see all the inventory that we have for sale by going to www.texasskidsteer.com. Thank you for watching.